Kithura Kindiki ugite gutinka njano mwanka Arimû banthiguru ya Kenya pombe kuthoba kithangikirwa kiri motungata mwanya ngerekana kiri mantu jegio gima kiaria mamburene jankiama ya nene ba Arimû ba KUPPET. Kindiki ugite bagategera ugima na njira ya ndene rungu rwa kiama ya SHA ndu Kindiki ugite athirikari nibaigitwe kinyama tetaja Arimû ba JSS na bakarire untububo kenda kinyabu bumba kuthura bukithangikirwa muthuri murioki no wina report ije
Mbere na ora mulini omutongiri omugongo nwa Kithura Kindiki no bito kinyanene skuru ke university na kyo tikingi yokungura kiatho Arimû ba KUPPET kumanya ndene county Meru nyuma kuthurwa na gutonya ofisine.
School administrators must also appreciate that teachers are human beings facing real hand-to-hand struggles. Bwana Karani, we face serious hand-to-hand struggles: divorce, separation, toxic relations, domestic violence, mental health, emotional distress. So we need to be understood. KUPPET power. We need to be understood. KUPPET power.
Na batoto eliroda tulitagwena katibu wenu owe na njero tontonjero Morris Mugomejera tulitanoengwe as advocates for the welfare of the teachers. He also helps us to communicate manto adrikari ati buri Arimû bukirita na manto yange turene na bukirita na manto adrikari ngwe adrikari kurita
kiri kiatho giki manto jegi Arimû jetho jakiarirwo mono Arimû ba junior secondary kwandikwa permanent and pensionable na makinya junior secondary kwithwe kiathuranwa na school primary na manto jegi origitani bo Arimû.
SHA can do better because teachers need to access the best hospitals in the country because we pay for SHA. We lost allowances. We are now losing our salaries to SHA. Can we do better? Carry this message that we are not exactly very happy. The autonomy of JSS has bogged the education system and particularly CBE down. There is no way a high school teacher will be in the hands of a primary school teacher. That is against meritocracy.
Pameba bunge barapoka le karone giki bedaba ki watambaru mogaro kujera jakwendekana ki skuru ji.
As a woman rep of Meru, you have been very supportive. I just want to thank you. As we endeavor to educate our children, I've come to you and I've told don't chase away these children, and you have done so. Your Excellency, make sure teachers get what they deserve in the right way, and you'll never be in a collection course with these teachers seated here.
Tuko na shida kwa saa hii, walimu wa interns ya JSS hawajaandikwa permanent and pensionable. Ningeomba serikali the next lot ile inafanya hao walimu wako kwa JSS waweze kuandikwa, ama mnasemaje?
Kwa sababu kati ya kuongeza performance ya mashule lazima kuwe na walimu ambao maisha yao ufea yao iko juu.
Atuneawe munino mutongire mugongo agwa no mwanka rwangiro SHA ruthukiagirithia urara kurigita Arimû.
We need to improve on the packages that you're getting under the Universal Health Coverage Program, which is administered by SHA. We need to improve. A teacher's health is very paramount. If a teacher is not sure of their health, they are not sure that they will be treated well and in a good hospital. When they fall sick, then you don't have a motivated teacher.
Amudine Kindiki nekuwa kagita karande pa kuandamana ibamenyere kwinyanginto byantu.
In the process of seeking accountability from our leaders, we should not do things that can destroy this future, the security, the stability of our country. We must do so peacefully. We must not break people's shops. We must not burn private property of people who have no relationship with the issue that you're raising.
Muthuri mrioki wa weekend mutiriro kangangi.